Hi, welcome to Almost Paradise Gardens. I started this channel because I moved here to the subtropics from the United States. And gardening here is really different from anything that I've ever experienced. I've had a lot of failures and I've had some surprising successes too. And I know that I have a lot of friends who have struggled. So why is it almost paradise? Well, because there's still bugs, and the bugs actually really like it in the subtropics. And also, the pruning and the weeding, it never stops. So in true paradise, you never have to worry about pruning or weeding or bugs, but here we do, and we're still on Earth, but it's pretty darn nice here. So I thought I would share with you my experiences. It's going to be everything A to Z and even a little bit of cooking, I believe. I grow everything in my garden is to try and sustain wildlife, insects. I don't use any spray except when I have to. I use a little neem. I grow a lot of my own food, so I wouldn't call this a food forest. I would call it more edible landscaping because I have a lot of tropical plants here that are not edible, but they do actually foster a lot of pollinators and spiders and birds and butterflies and other just really great things to have around in your garden. So basically the subtropics are areas throughout the world that never actually freeze, but they also don't fit into the category of the true tropics where it is very humid and hot. The plants here and how they react with the different seasons and everything is very different. And so I thought I would share what I've learned, and we can learn as we go along together.
I'm by no means an expert yet, but I am learning little by little. I've been doing it almost 3 years now here, and I just love the plants that I can grow here in this climate. And I would welcome any comments as we go along of things that you have learned in your area in the subtropic areas. Like and subscribe to join me for future episodes, and I hope to see you real soon.